Hey guys, if you are usually a person who try to learn a new programming language or a framework or library by watching tons and tons of YouTube videos and copying the code exactly into the code editor, then I think you might consider another way or for doing it. First of all, you have to go to Google and on Google just type Next.js. When you just type Next.js, then you can find so many websites over here. So what you should do is just select on next.org, and this is the front page, the React framework for the web. Okay, so just click on get started. Okay, so just welcome to Next.js documentation, how to use rows and everything. Okay, so and after that we will be going to the installation mode and all. But I think if you want to learn something, then what you have to do is just click on learn Next.js. So going to learn Next.js, you can start learning over here, and see here we have 0% and everything, and on clicking here we can see the entire chapters for learning everything, the basics, everything, static and dynamic rendering, and you can see how to mutate data, how to handle errors, how we are creating layouts and pages, as well as how to add search icon, a search bar, as well as pagination, everything. Yeah, you'll get to know everything. So when I click on a particular chapter, you can see everything. See how organized it is. Okay, you can see how why are we formulating fonts, optimizing fonts and all these things. You can also see certain links where they think that they are new to us. So if you want additional knowledge about certain things, then you can go to another page, and that is so. And in order to analyze our learning, we have this quiz time where the entire content is being summarized into a question. So they actually ensures that we have learned what we need to be. Then we have C code where we can copy it, and everything is there. Okay, and see what happens here is it also helps us an opportunity, or gives us an opportunity to reveal the solution. See, this is something where we can practice like a homework and all. We can find our own code, and if you are unable to do it, or if you have completed it, then you can click on reveal this button. So here we can see the entire answer for our practice question, and that is so amazing. Okay, so this is what we can see here. And in addition to this, see, if we have came here to learn Next.js, right? But as we all know, Next.js is a framework of React, so we need to have a basics on React. So when you these two websites, this one, that is by clicking on React Foundation, you can build a tic-tac-toe, that game, no? Yeah, you can build the entire app, or the base. It is such a basic app where we can learn by building. We can learn the basics of React. And here on Next.js, we will be building a dashboard. Yeah, you will be able to build an entire dashboard through this. So I think this is worth trying, guys. So I think you should see, this is how the dashboard will looks like, and this is so amazing. To this we can learn the basics. Yeah, and if you find it confusing at some point, then you can try out some YouTube videos and just watch until you clarify your doubts.